Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. Tasneem Adar is in front of you. I'm with Miss Mary. She's from Ireland, but she live in London. 60 years she live here. Got very nice, beautiful house, and she is a big friend of Imran Khan. And we have some question with Miss Mary. See what she say, what's her opinions. Hello, Miss Mary. How are you?
All right, thanks.
Imran Khan.
I know him, yes, because, not personally, but I know there was a lot of publicity and that about him being such a good person.
And he's a good cricketer as well.
And he's a very good cricketer, according to the television.
Yeah.
And he was loved, I think, in this country by everyone.
And he was married with Jemima.
Yes, that's correct.
Jemima,
yeah.
She's a wonderful lady as well.
Yeah.
She spent a lot of time in Pakistan, like 8 years, and she still loves Pakistan. But there's political circumstances, I think she come back.
That's right.
So
yeah.
I think a divorce bar. And Imran Khan, he elected a Prime Minister of Pakistan, you know that.
Yes.
And what do you think of when he is a Prime Minister of Pakistan? Did he done good work for public of Pakistan or not? In the 3 years?
Yes, I think he was. I think everybody here was very happy because he was elected, and it meant that he was sort of well known. So he was good for Pakistan as well, because people already had a lot of respect for him.
And they love him as well.
And they loved him as well, and he was very honest, and he was very open.
That's his big quality. And you heard that when he been shot.
Yes, and I think that was very sad.
Very sad. And a British community, white people and Irish people, they was very sad, because we have a very good one human being, which one aliens call Imran Khan, and they are trying to kill Nawaz Sharif group.
Yeah, I think that was very sad, and I think the country didn't appreciate him enough, because I think he could have done a lot for the country, you know, because he had such good following, and he was so well respected. And he was honest, I think.
And you are hoping which Chief Justice Supreme Court give decision on 14 October, Pakistan, there should have to be elections. So they have to respect of that decision.
Well, I think there should be respect for everybody.
Yeah. And Parliament, they are against, because they are called PDM. This PDM 16 party together against Imran Khan, one party, PTI. So you think if election, Imran Khan will be, I think, total sweep there and in Punjab.
Yeah, I'm not into politics myself, but I just look at people when they're being honest and open, and I think that's the main thing. Because
and Nawaz Sharif, you know, they are thieves. Everybody knows that, and they steal the money. They are a corrupt, and even establishment, some little journals, they are giving him hands to destroy Imran Khan government, and they are still against standing for Imran Khan, which one they are not getting any success, but Imran Khan is standing like a lion. So see what happens. So anything you can give, any idea to build this Pakistan in a back to this which one they really destroy them, this PDM, you know. So what you think, any idea to Imran Khan come, how he have to look after public, how he have to build this Pakistan back again? Yes,
because, I think there should be, in any, if you have a position in council or politics or that, I think people should be very honest and open, and otherwise it's not good for the majority of the people, regardless of who they are. Everybody is a human being.
Excellent, yes.
And you have to respect that.
Respect that. Any message for Imran Khan? You can go, you're going live. Anything, any message for Imran Khan, former Prime Minister, for Miss Mary?
Tell him to come back to London to do the cricket.
yeah. So not like in the politics anymore, do you think so? He cannot look after their poor public of Pakistan and...
Yeah. I think the poor in Pakistan need to be looked after, and I think
be
If you
elected
want.
Prime Minister and
And
come back
if
to
you
visit
want,
to London, and
if
Miss
you
Mary
want-
wanna meet him as well.
And if anyone wants to, like, you know, want an honest and decent society,
Yeah.
then if it was me, I would vote for it.
Thank you very much, Miss Mary. God bless you. Miss
Yes,
Mary
amen.
is very famous in a community of Ireland, and she is well educated, and she knows the politics very well, and she know Imran Khan, she know the Nawaz Sharif, she know Benazir Bhutto. She say, I read the books and I know what's going on. They was try to kill Imran Khan, which one against the law, and we are standing for Imran Khan. And she say, I said to Imran Khan, be elected Prime Minister, come back to London, and we wanna meet you, and good luck to you, and God bless you. Thank you very much, Miss Mary.
God
Have a
bless,
good
God
one.
bless, God
Thank you.
bless.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.